Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the account details and why that matters. Mismatched email or a case change often causes the check password and try again message. First, verify the exact username and domain, then confirm keyboard layout, caps lock, and num lock so your input is accurate. Next, enter a simple known password to ensure keystrokes register correctly. Once done, you will know whether the issue is entry-related or account-related, which directs your next corrective action immediately. If entry checks fail, proceed to recovery to fix the problem and regain access. Use the Forgot Password link, choose a recovery method you can access, and complete identity verification. This prevents repeated lockouts. Check your recovery email, SMS, or authenticator app for codes and enter them promptly because they often expire quickly. After verification, create a strong new password and store it in a password manager so you avoid future mistyped attempts and reduce the chance of the same error happening again. Finally, test the login to confirm the issue is resolved and understand why things failed before. If you still see errors, clear the browser cache and cookies or try a private window to eliminate stored data conflicts. Make sure to revoke old sessions and update any saved passwords in browsers or apps so they won't autofill an old password again. If the problem persists, contact support and provide account identifiers and timestamps. They can investigate account blocks or security holds that simple resets won't fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.